Industries, manufacturing units. Every manufacturing unit, whether a small, medium, large, will have a possibility to reduce cost of production, administrative overheads, transportation cost, marketing promotion cost, to reduce the cost of finance, and also to reduce the wastage, to increase the productivity, thereby to increase the profitability of the organization. How it is possible to reduce the cost of manufacturing cost by a manufacturing unit? Standards. Every manufacturing unit has to prescribe its standards to be followed at all levels. Means every manufacturing activity has to be monitored and planned, implemented in a systematic manner by following the standards prescribed by the management of the manufacturing unit. How it is possible? How to prescribe the standards? Prescribing standards requires the support, guidance, help of consultants who are experts in increasing the productivity, increasing the quantity, quality by reducing the time and material cost and quantity of materials consumed for a manufacturing of a product. So, role of consultants is most important in increasing the productivity of a manufacturing unit. How to reduce the manufacturing cost of a manufacturing unit? The cost includes raw materials cost, transportation, labor, shortages, indirect taxes, power, fuel, etc. Cost of all these products or services can be reduced by going for bulk purchase of raw materials and bulk transportation to reduce the transportation cost, and efficient labor and rewards, recognizing and rewarding efficient labor. It reduces the labor charges, and prevention of shortages, damages, wastages, reduces the cost of materials consumed and increase the sales quantity. And also the indirect expenditure, indirect taxes, and also the consumption of power and fuel can be reduced with the help of applying the alternative modes of power, alternative modes of fuel with the help of the technicians in the process of manufacturing. How to reduce the raw material cost? This is one of the important costs of a manufacturing unit. This can be reduced by entering into agreement in advance to procure the quantity of goods on time to ensure production of the manufacturing unit is uninterrupted and carried on continuously with the supply of required materials, the quantity, quality, and also availability on time, and also the prices which are reasonable in carrying on the manufacturing activity. The prices of the product or material consumed depends upon the prices of the goods sold by the manufacturing unit. Transportation cost. I stated earlier, the transportation cost can be reduced with the implementation of bulk transportation of goods while purchasing the material, and also while selling the goods to reduce the cost of transportation, and also to go for alternative cheapest mode of transportation. Example, instead of going for road transport, the manufacturing unit can opt for railway transport that is cheaper than the road transport, and the time duration on road transportation may be less, but the cost will be more. Depending upon the situation, depending upon the market requirements, depending upon the manufacturing requirements, the manufacturing management has to opt for better option to go for use the road transport or rail transport. If it is possible, the water transportation is also possibility is also available. That also can be applied, which is cheaper than both the road transport as well as rail transport. Next one is, if it is required, the manufacturing unit can implement air transportation also, of course, which is costly, but if time needs, the market permits, then the manufacturing unit can opt for. If the quantity is less and the weight is less, but quality and value is more, the manufacturing unit may opt for air transportation also. Next important cost of manufacturing sector is labor, wages, labor charges. This is directly linked to the manufacturing activity, and that can be made optimum, cost can be reduced, the productivity with the increase in productivity. It doesn't mean that reducing the remuneration payable to the workers or retrenchment of workers, but improving the performance of workers leads to high productivity, more quantity and less time, and more quantity with less material is also possible with the wholehearted support and cooperation, mutual understanding among the workers to reduce cost of labor. That is possible. Labor employees cooperation is possible with recognizing their efficiency, innovation, creativity, productivity, and rewarding with enhancement, promotions, which we'll call addition bonus, etc., will make the workers to dedicate their talent to increase the productivity of the time material consumed. Next important cost is shortages. These shortages are due to defective quality or loss during transportation or storages loss, damage, thefts, scraps, manufacturing damage also may be possible. With this, there is a possibility of higher shortage in manufacturing activity. To reduce the shortage, the manufacturing unit should go for high quality materials as well as the timely supply without going for more time for storage before production and after production also. So it should be on time concept of receiving the goods, manufacturing and transporting to markets. Less stock leads to less shortage, less damage, less wastage, more production, more quality, more quantity, and more sales also, more turnover. So shortage is possible due to more stocks and less quality can be avoided with the suitable monitoring while acquiring the material required and transporting the goods manufactured until reaches to the marketing or consumer. Next important cost of a manufacturing unit is indirect taxes and statutory dues. Indirect tax has to be paid by the manufacturing unit while purchasing the goods. The same can be recovered at the time of sale. There is no loss at all to the manufacturing unit, but there is a time gap between purchase and sale that requires additional working capital and that requires additional funds need. And statutory dues, maybe the employees law requires the employers to contribute to the employees provident fund based on the labor laws. That is another statutory dues which is essential, which is inevitable for every manufacturing unit, and that has to be paid in time. Maybe indirect taxes, maybe statutory dues of pertaining to employees, and all other manufacturing dues also. Manufacturing levies has to be paid in time and complied with filing of returns in time to avoid late interest, penalty, and also late fees. That will reduce the cost of compliance for every manufacturing unit. The most important concept of a manufacturing unit is power. Without power, the manufacturing unit is not possible. To carry on manufacturing activity without power is not possible. The power is the most essential, and every manufacturing unit has to think of or to adopt the low cost power source. Now it is possible additional electricity supply can be made from the government units for manufacturing activity and non-manufacturing usage. The manufacturing unit can opt for an alternative mode of power, that may be solar or windmill or some other power, because the interruption may not disturb the manufacturing activity. Whereas the continuous supply required in manufacturing unit, that needs to be supported from the government power supplies only. Until now, government supplies are more efficient to supply the power to manufacturing unit uninterruptedly. Next is fuel. One of the important cost, maybe it is a less cost, but it is important. Without fuel, it may not be possible to carry on manufacturing activity. That fuel may be very small quantity, very small amount, but without which the manufacturing activity cannot be carried out perfectly. So small amount of needs also kept in mind before going for manufacturing activity. That fuel may be oils, lubricants, or we can say the firewoods or anything required that is to be obtained which will not disturb the manufacturing activity to carry on uninterruptedly. Every manufacturing unit tries to attain higher profits possible with higher productivity, cost reduction, higher sales, lower financial cost, lower labor expenditure, efficient management, lower wastage, lower damage, and higher usage. All these are financial symptoms of manufacturing activities, high profitability.